All right. So welcome. This is the weekly review of the Candle Scalp EA. Okay, so this was a very interesting week on the euro. So basically, I'm kind of stuck in this trade right now, and look how low my stop loss is. That's just because, to be honest, I really don't do stop losses because it bounces up and down, bounces up, and it's gonna grab my take profit at some point, and hopefully today, right? So right now I'm getting a really huge spike on the 4 hour chart. So whenever you see a spike like this, kind of like this, or this kind of spike, or this kind of spike, it's always a reversal uh, to the opposite direction, right? So right now, hopefully this spike stays like this, and it'll reverse going up that way. Okay. Um, the first level here, let's draw that line across. So you want to draw it all the way across because you want to get these bounce bars in place. Okay, this has nothing to do with the robot. Okay, the robot won't see these lines, but this is just in case you want to take over the manual trade, the trade here. Okay, and let's go up. Let's do another channel. Okay, and then let's get the top one. Okay, so we got the different channels. So we have an idea. So this is one, this is two, and this is three. All right. So basically, right now we're in two. We're trying to get out of uh, this channel right here. But what's going to happen here is it's going to go down, hit the top, hit the bottom, hit the top right here, and then hit the bottom, and it's going to reverse and go back up here. So you have an option to stay in or stay out, but it looks like it's going to go down, hit, and go back up. So 1, 2, 3 levels. This is something that you will learn in the mentorship program. 1, 2, 3 levels. 1, 2, 3 levels. Okay. Now I kind of wish my robot or the expert provider did not do a buy order on a reverse trend. Okay, so that was a little weird. Um, so that's something that I'm just gonna hang into this because I know it's gonna reverse, if anything, right here, and it's gonna go up that way. Okay, so straight line across this way. Looks like it went up and it went back down. Okay, so this is the candle scalp EA. Um, and I'm just gonna hang in here. I'm not gonna sell out on this. Where is it? Starts right here. Level 1, level 2, and then level 3. Okay, now it's going to do an M formation, and then it's going to go down. Okay, so M formation, go down. W formation, go up. W formation down here, and go that way. So that's what I'm expecting right now. So it's going to go up, hit the bounce bar, blah, 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 go up, get our take profit, and then next week and over the next month, it's going to be a short trend, going short. Okay, like that. Okay. So where we're at right now in the trade, this is nothing. Now this is what the big boys do because the stop loss is way down here because down here it's like that. Okay. So I really don't like the 15-minute charts because it's so nitpicky on frequencies of the patterns and the trends. Okay. So final verdict, I'm gonna stay on this trade and let's see what happens. I already know it's gonna go up here. Okay. So that's it. All right, I'll see you next week. And what is next week? Is next week Christmas Day? So I might not do a video on Christmas Day. If anything, I'm gonna probably stop my robots on this week because of the holidays. Now the market makers, which is the banks that sell these forex, they're going to go on Christmas break. So next week it's going to be really flat. There's not going to be a lot of trends going on, kind of like this, right? So Christmas break for the investors is happening next week. It should actually be on it right now. So it's gonna be a very flat week next week. Okay, just because of the vacation that the investors are going on. The big banks are going on vacation and all that. Okay, so final verdict. I see a bounce right here, and then it's gonna go up, get my pibs, and get out of there. Okay, so that's it. Thanks.